So in this function, we're going to be given u and v, which are both 1 by n vectors. And you're going to be given another input, x, which is going to be an m by 1 vector. You're going to evaluate this function. So to evaluate, let's start off by writing it first. We have our function header, which is a function, apple is y. Our name is sumProd. And our inputs are u, v, and x. Now, in order to do this, we have to find the dimensions of u and v. So we know that if we say n is equal to the length of u or v, either one, we're going to get its length. And then once we have that, we know how many times we can go through with our series. So let's start off by doing a running sum, because this is a series. So to do that, we have to initialize something to do the running sum. So let's initialize y. Say y is equal to 0. Once you have y equals 0, we can say for I is equal to, now we can go 2 through n. So 2 through n, like it tells us. Now, inside of this running sum, we have a running product. So in order to do the running product, we need to initialize something, some sort of variable, to allow us to do the running product. So we'll call it prod. So we'll say prod is equal to. Now, what's something we can initialize it? Well, we can initialize it to this ui squared on the outside, and that will make life a lot easier. So we can say prod is u of I times u of I. This allows you to not use any inbuilt functions when you want something to be squared. Then you can do your running product. So you can say for j is equal to 1 through, and it tells us to go through I minus 1. So we say I minus 1. And we can say prod is equal to prod times, and then we'll have our inside. So our inside, we have x minus v of j, all divided by, and then we have v of I minus v of j. And we close that, and then we end this running product. Now, once we've ended this running product, we got to finish up our running sum that we had. So then we say y is equal to y, so the 0, plus whatever we've created here, which is prod. And then we're going to end this running sum. So as this goes through iterations, we're going to keep adding this term product to y. And this term product is going to be determined by the element of u that's assigned, multiplied by itself, and then we're going to multiply that by basically this equation right here. We're going to end this for loop, just like this for loop is ended, and then we're going to end our function on the outside. So to reiterate what we just did, we found our dimensions, and after finding our dimensions, we have our running sum to start off. Then we have our running product that we have to initialize. And then after we do that, we just have our equation, and we finish off the running sum here, right here. And then just end your function.